I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your microphone is functional and permissions are granted. This avoids interruptions. Open the app that supports voice typing, for example Google Docs, Windows Dictation, or your mobile keyboard. Once there, find the microphone icon or the voice typing menu. This is where language settings live. You do this first so you can change language before dictating long text, which reduces recognition errors and saves time when you switch languages mid-session. Now change the language inside the voice typing tool. Open Language or Input Settings, which may be a gear icon or three-dot menu. Select the target language from the list. If an offline model is offered, download it so accuracy stays high without network lag. Make sure to choose the correct dialect and adjust punctuation or sensitivity options to match your speaking style. Once done, the engine adapts to pronunciation rules, so recognition improves and you waste fewer corrections. While finally switch to the new language and speak a short test sentence to verify accuracy. This confirms pronunciation, punctuation, and command recognition. If you see repeated errors, toggle the language off and on or restart the app, which forces the model to reload. Make sure microphone input level and permissions are correct, and update or re-download language packs if available. One key troubleshooting tip: if recognition stays poor, reboot the device and test again. Lingering processes sometimes block audio access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.